Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Property in a Box video tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through on how you can efficiently manage your task using Fusion CRM Task Manager. First is go to propertyinabox.com.au website. Then member login. On Fusion CRM login page, simply enter your login credentials and sign in. On the left menu selection, you'll find Task. Now you have the option to view your tasks on a monthly basis, weekly, daily, or even show the list of your tasks. Now let's try to add a task. Let's say you want to follow up with a client tomorrow. Simply hit on Add Task. Complete this form by adding the task name, select the appropriate task, and this one is assigned to your account or to your subscriber account. You can attach it to any of your clients, put in like a short description, set the date and the time, and once you're done, just simply hit on Save. Then you'll see a notification that the task has been added successfully, and you can just close it. Once you have completed a task, you have the option to edit it or mark it off as completed by simply hitting on the task name. Here's the option to edit the task or mark it off as completed. If you want to add a task against a specific client, open the client account by going to Accounts and then select Clients. Let's say you'd like to add a task against your client, John. So open the account by clicking on either the first name or last name. And here you'll find Task. And you will have the option to View Task or Add Task. Complete this form again by adding a task name. Select the appropriate type of task, a short description, set the date and the time, and hit on Save. Okay? So thank you guys for watching this video. But if you have any questions, feel free to contact us, and our contact details are showing on your screen.